In this video, I'll show you how to set up Wi-Fi Direct on your HP Envi Inspire printer. What I'll show you next works with many different models as long as they have a screen like this one on the left side. So let's get started. Step number 1 is to make sure the screen is turned on, and you're going to press on the top part of the screen, doesn't matter where. Then you're going to press the cogwheel on the top left side of the screen. Go down this menu and select Wi-Fi Direct. Make sure Wi-Fi Direct is turned on, so that toggle is green, and then select Connection Method. Here, make sure that Manual is selected. Then here you're going to go back, select Network Setup, go down, and click Print Network Configuration Page. Make sure your printer has some paper because the password will get printed. So 3 pages have been printed, but you only need the first one. On the first page, if we look down below, you're going to see Wi-Fi Direct, and you're going to also see Wi-Fi Direct password right there. The Wi-Fi name of this printer will be written down below. Now you just have to open your iPhone, open the Wi-Fi settings of your iPhone, your computer, your PC, Android phone, whatever, and in the network, okay, you should see your HP printer appearing there. Click on it and type the password that we just found out on that page. Once the password has been entered, you're going to see a blue check mark saying it's connected. Now open your document on your phone or on your computer, and well, depending on which device you have, on an iPhone you need to press this button down below. Go and select Print. If you don't see it, you need to go down and then select Print. Make sure that under Printer here you select your HP printer and then press Print. So that's how you use Wi-Fi Direct with your HP Envi Inspire printer. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.